Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to search for any series by name on the DramaBox app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the DramaBox app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, look at the top. You should see a search bar or a magnifying glass icon. Tap the search bar. Your keyword will appear at the bottom of your screen. Type the name of the series you are looking for. For example, if you want Stranger Things, just type it in clearly. As you type, a list of suggestions will pop up below. Scroll through and tap on the exact series name you want. The series page will now open. Here you will see the cover picture, description and episode list. Tap on the episode you want to start with and press play. The series will start streaming right away. And that's it. Now you know how to search for any drama or series by name on DramaBox using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.